like I said last time, the size of the vegetables you're cutting honestly is going to influence the dish a bit.
Organizing a cooking demonstration was an idea that I came up with because I was in a dollar store and there was an individual who was a senior that was actually looking for food. And I heard her making a conversation of she was trying to make her money stretch. And so I came up with the idea of a healthy eating and cooking class that they can also shop and also eat healthy.
That's good, man. This has truly helped me because I don't get from my primary doctor what I'm getting from you all. Monique is very, very informative and patient with us, you know. She's giving out good information that can help you in the long run. Yeah.
What we eat has a huge influence on our overall health and can really help with the management of different chronic diseases as well. I enjoy sharing recipes that are culturally relevant but also include a lot of different nutrients and modifications. And I think that patients are a lot more likely to try these recipes if they include a lot of ingredients that they're familiar with.
I've been in this neighborhood. I was raised up out here since I was about 11 years old. And the things that they're doing now, we didn't see back then. This is a beautiful thing for senior citizens. Normally when you get old, people kick you and push you to the side. You know, Pastor David and his wife, Linda, this is something great that they're doing and that they partnership with UT, you know, because we never had this in this neighborhood before.
I really appreciate Mr. Andrew Casa and his team for just allowing this to happen. It's very important, the partnership with other organizations and entities that may not have the resources, but you just see when you come together, what a difference that can make.
The healthy eating cooking class is one of those that met the need to show you how you can actually eat, how you can actually take vegetables and make vegetables work for you, how you can take those leftovers, make meals out of leftovers. So it is absolutely good for our community.